Hello everyone, I am Nazmul Hassan and I am honored to serve as the FP 2030 Bangladesh Youth Focal Person appointed by CCSDP DJP. It's a privilege to share with you my journey and commitment to youth empowerment and reproductive health. This year I had the honor of being selected for the Youth in Development Fellowship by Impact Toolbox. This opportunity has allowed me to hone my skills and amplify my impact. My journey in advocating for global reproductive health was significantly enriched by the Bayer Scholarship, which enabled me to complete the Advocating for Global Reproductive Health and Youth Voice in Public Health program by the Summer Institute Data to Policy in Population, Family and Reproductive Health in 2022. One of my proudest achievements was being named a Young City Champion by UN Habitat and Foundation Botner. This recognition has fueled my passion for creating sustainable and youth-friendly urban spaces. For several years, I have been deeply involved in the Bangladesh National Youth Conference on Family Planning, serving on the organizing committee from 2016 and 2023. And this year, I am honored to continue this role. Speaking at the opening plenary as a youth speaker has always been a highlight for me as it allows me to voice the concerns and aspirations of our youth. Currently, I am working with CIRAC Bangladesh as a SBCC officer under Improving SRHR in Dhaka project. This role has provided me the invaluable opportunity to engage directly with 1,000 youth and adolescent volunteers and 100 general practitioners. Training these volunteers on sexual and reproductive health and rights and sexual and gender-based violence topics has been immensely rewarding. One of the most fulfilling aspects of my work is participating in the community sessions with mothers, fathers, and adolescent groups. Leveraging the power of social media, my team and I run the page Projonon Shastro Bondhu, which called Reproductive Health Friend, where we disseminate information on FP, MR, PEG, LGBT and adolescent health issues. I firmly believe that youth have immense power. When harnessed correctly, this power can drive significant societal change. Youth engagement and voices in policy making are crucial for creating lasting impacts. I am committed to continuing this journey, empowering more youth and advocating for better reproductive health services. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you.